lovely. Creamy flavour.
Saltbush, Buschbananen, Wüstenrosinen, wilder Yam, Buschgurken. Dies sind nur einige der Pflanzen, die in Australien wachsen. Mark Olive ist Spitzenkoch. Den Australiern die eigene, längst vergessene Küche wieder näher zu bringen, das ist seine Passion.
Australia has embraced every other cuisine in this country except what's in our own backyard. Today we have 14 different spices, but not only that, they're really good for you, they're really healthy. We have things like the saltbush, which is amazing natural produce, very low in sodium, so it's a good substitute for salt.
Für rund 150 € dürfen sich geladene Gäste an ursprüngliche australische Geschmäcker wagen.
My name's Mark, and we've got an exciting afternoon for you just to get your taste buds excited and to try a few different things that you probably haven't tried before. Now, who's had kangaroo? Hands up. Yeah. Who's had emu? Crocodile? Possum? Really pungent.
Ungewohntes aus der Region. Mark will vermitteln, wie leicht es ist, sich mit lokalen Produkten gesund zu ernähren.
We just said that we've lived our whole lives in Australia and we've not used any of these.
Auf der Suche nach vergessenen Zutaten und Rezepten bereist Mark das ganze Land. Sein Wissen gibt er gern weiter. Vor allem an Kinder.
How's everybody? You've all gone shy now, haven't you? Who wants to go to the beach to collect some cockles?
Mark vermittelt gesundes Essen spielerisch, wie hier beim Muschelsammeln.
Now they've opened up. Now why do you think I put it in cold water?
Because it makes it more nice.
Makes it more nice. Okay guys, you like it? Yeah. And the thing is, they're developing their taste buds, so, it's good to give them fresh, healthy food.
You can have it.
And, yeah.
Marks Wurzeln spielen dabei eine besondere Rolle. Er fühlt sich verpflichtet, sich für andere einzusetzen.
With my success, it has become, a bit of a responsibility as well. Other Indigenous people right around the country see me as successful, which is very flattering, but it's also a great responsibility too, because it is, it's not a burden, it's with great pride that I take on that role, because it allows me access to a lot of communities Australia-wide.
Mark ist Australier mit ganzem Herzen. Und die Vielfalt und das Besondere seines Landes soll jeder schmecken.